In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted draft in Outlook. We'll walk through this using Outlook on the web so you can follow along in any modern browser. This process is simple once you know where to look, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook. From the search results, click the official Outlook website. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and sign in as you normally do. Once your mailbox loads, you'll be on the main Outlook page. On the left sidebar, look for the Drafts folder and open it. This is where Outlook stores any unsent messages you've started. If a draft was deleted by mistake, maybe you clicked the trash bin icon next to it or hit delete, don't worry. Outlook doesn't erase it immediately. Instead, it moves that draft to the deleted items folder, which acts like a safety net. To get it back, open the deleted items folder from the same left sidebar. You'll see a list of messages that were recently removed. If you have a lot in there, you can sort by date to bring the newest items to the top, or use the search box to narrow things down by a keyword from the draft's subject or body. Find the draft you want to restore, then right-click it. In the menu that appears, choose Restore. Outlook will immediately move that draft back to your Drafts folder. If you're on a touch device, a press and hold acts like a right-click. After restoring, head back to Drafts to confirm it's there, open it, and continue writing. When you're ready, you can send it just like any normal email. A few quick tips to avoid confusion. If you don't see the draft and deleted items right away, try refreshing the page and make sure you're looking in the correct account and folder. Also, some organizations automatically empty deleted items after a set period, so it's best to restore important drafts as soon as you notice they're missing. And if you regularly clean out deleted items, avoid emptying it until you've recovered anything you still need. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, check drafts, recover from deleted items by right-clicking the draft, and choose Restore. With this approach, you can quickly undo accidental deletions and get back to writing without losing your work.